rock and roll.
All right, I'm good.
Holy
Oh! What?
You guys getting the floaties?
A little loud.
I wouldn't know.
Is it good back there?
Did you guys feel the heat?
Oh yeah.
I felt it.
Damn.
That's your neighbor yelling?
Yeah.
Nice.
That's a lot of fire.
That was the coolest one yet.
That was 7.5 pounds.
Man.
Need like 20 pounds inside an old dishwasher or something like that.
In a car.
Yeah.
and a propane bottle.
Actually, you think Tannerite's better than propane, isn't it?
Check that pump. Oh my God.
God.
Straight out of the movies, man.
Let it burn. Let it all
Did someone say we were having a bonfire?
Well, let it take up all the rest of the
Dude, it took the entire pile away. The entire pile is gone.
It blew the front half away.
That's pretty.
Damn. Holy shit. I was standing right there.
There it is. I think that was from the first one.
No, we put that one on top.
Set it on the second one.
We need to put like a 12-inch.
Oh, is that the triangle?
The Hoolies orange thing.
Yeah. Oh, Mike! We should have put your orange ball on and see if we can catch it.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Port diversion envelopes over there. Yeah.
Is it a quick diversion envelope?
Yeah.
I probably shouldn't have said that while I recorded this.
You know what I think would be funny for next time? We just get a ton of stuffed animals and put it on the top. Yeah. Flaming